When life gives you lemons, what do? Wow. Let's see if we can sweeten that up a little. Hey everybody, Terri here. It's Friday on the East Coast and it is happy hour. So welcome to happy hour. Today we're going to make a drink. We don't really know if it's actually a cocktail, but we don't know if it's a martini or a margarita. So, but most of you know that when I make a martini is gin, vermouth, and a twist. Sometimes I'll let you get away with an olive, but really gin, vermouth, and a twist. That's a martini. What we're going to make is kind of a Martinique. I'm going to call it a Martinique, but what most people call it is a lemon drop. And a lemon drop is vodka, and it's going to have some lemon juice, and it's going to have some triple sec, and it's going to have, we'll see what else it's going to have. I'll just build it, and you'll see. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to make 2 of these guys, and we've got our shaker, and it's nice and cold. Everything should start cold. I use vodka in this, so this is why the first reason it's not a martini, it's vodka. I usually buy a giant Vodka-saurus at Costco, and I put them in these little bottles and I put them in the freezer because I freeze the vodka, all right? Gin I don't because it bruises and it gets weird, so I don't do that. So we're gonna start with, because we're making 2 of these guys, I'm gonna start with 4 ounces, and this is for Lynn Collier, because she watches me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lynn laughed at me last week about me counting the amount of ounces that go inside of here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use lemon juice. Now, I took a lemon and I squeezed it out with this cool little shindig right here. All right, you should get yourself one of these tools. And I strained it because you don't want any of the pits or any of that junk inside of it. So you want to make sure that your lemon juice is nice and clean. All right, so we're going to use 1 ounce of this. All right, 1 for each one, and 2 ounces of lemon juice. That goes in. Again, we're making 2 of these guys. All right. Next thing we've got is simple syrup. Usually I have my little, let me see if I can spill this all over the damn place. Usually I have my spoon. We're going to use ½ an ounce for each drink, so it's 1 ounce of simple syrup is going to go in there. And then the next thing we're going to use is triple sec. Now you can use triple sec, Cointreau, whatever sweet thing you like. You know, me. And because we're going to use 1 ounce of that too. Some people will put a little more of that in. This is because this is for 2 people again. All right. Some people will use more of the sweet stuff. I don't really like a sweet drink, so I will err to put, I'll put less in usually. So we've got our vodka, we've got our really tart stuff, we've got our 2 sweet things, and we're going to put our shaker on. It's already getting really cold. We're going to shake it up. I don't have any songs for you today, really. But you shake the heck out of it. You want it to get really cold. All right, so there's that. Put that there for right now, out of the way. And now, stay right here for a second. I'll be right back. You want your glasses to be really cold, so you put them in the freezer. You saw me last time, I kind of frosted them up with some ice. But this time, we're going to use them with the freezer, all right? So you take a lemon, and you want to do this guy and go around this thing, all right? Same deal over here. We're going to take this guy. All right, and now, I bet you're wondering what this stuff is. Looks like cornmeal, right? Guess what? It's not. All right, so this is sugar with lemon rind in it. So I scraped the lemon rind up. I did that, and we've got a little bit of lemon rind, and we've got a little bit of sugar for all you people out there. All right, so that's there. All right, so we've got these 2 guys. So I'm going to have you pull out just a little bit there, camera person, and we're going to shake this up. We shook it up, and we're going to take this guy. All right, here comes the big reveal. Pour it in. Look at how pretty that looks. Look at how pretty this is going to look. Gotta get every last drop. It's just like Maxwell House, baby. All right, and then we take these guys. I actually had to take all the pits. There were like 10,000 pits inside of there. You put it in, you lay it in, and that's what you got? A lemon drop. It doesn't know if it's a martini. It doesn't know if it's a margarita. Maybe it's a martarina. I'm just making this stuff up, people. I appreciate you staying with me here through the video, and I want you to have fun, drink responsibly, and cheers to y'all.